I wanted to show you all the different types of wigs that there are. There's not just the typical full wig. This is a full wig, so cover your whole head. This is what everyone thinks about when you say wig. Well, there's many more variations of this. If you're a beginner, I think this is going to help. One thing you have is a topper. So it's still a wig. I'm wearing one right now. It's a tiny little wig. Look. It's tiny. So say you've got colour growing out, or your greys coming through all the time and you're trying to keep going to the hairdressers, this would be a great cover up. Also, my hair fell out, and when it came back, it's not the same quality. Lots of people find that as well. But when I have this over the top of it, because of the quality of the hair, look the difference. You've got frizzy, and then perfect hair. So these little toppers are great for lots of things. Lots of people experience alopecia at the front, or balding, patches. These are great. This is synthetic. I've got this up in my website right now. If you check out my bio, this is actually synthetic. You would never know. It's very high heat. You can get your GHDs through there. You can straighten it. I've straightened this one. You can curl it. It's pretty much just like human hair. And if you're beginning with toppers, even if you're not, come and try these out, because I am obsessed with this right now. I'm wearing it every day. So I'm just at that length, you know, where it's just perfect for me. So that's a topper. And then you also have a half wig, which aren't always talked about. And not many people stock these, but I do, because I love them. When your hair is short, extensions look awful, in my opinion. You can tell. You can really tell if you put extensions in and you've got short hair. But with this, it's impossible. So if you just got some hair at the front here, just like this, and it's just half the amount of a wig, basically, or 3/4. Some people call it 3/4. I have it in my wig shop as a half wig. They have clips at the front and at the base. That's really all you need. And honestly, my head would probably fall off if you pulled it. It really does keep in place. And look, you just chuck them on, tuck your hair in, or sometimes I do a little ponytail. And then you can either put your hair up round it and cover it. You got to cover the seam. That's all you got to do though. Or you can put a little Alice band, and then boom. It's so quick, it's so easy. And you've got like a funky updo with it. So right now in my website, thediamondmansion.com, I have all those different types of wigs. So go and check them out. And if you've got any questions, give me a shout. I'm always about. Thanks.